Hey guys, it's Alicia Godfrey with Keller Williams Excel Realty. I am here at Schiller Park down in the German Village, Marion Village area, and just 2 houses that way is my new listing. It's a real diamond in the rough. It's 255 East Stewart Avenue, and I would love to take you inside and let you see all the potential this home has. So here we are at 255 East Stewart Avenue. You can see that these awnings could most definitely come down, and I'm going to point out some suggestions of some things that I would do. But you have a built-up retention wall here. The house is nice and elevated, and that attic space up above is already finished out or could be finished even more nicely. So come on, let's check out the inside. As soon as you come in this front door, you have the enclosed porch with windows. You could leave it enclosed, you could open it up and just have a normal porch. You've got a great view down there at Stewart Avenue. And it's a huge space, perfect for a porch swing, more furniture. Could really enjoy the outdoors out in this space, and I know that's what the previous owners did. You come in the front door, you are surrounded by all the original hardwood. So we have the skinny plank hardwood flooring that's in really nice condition throughout this whole first floor. Got tall ceilings. There's your access into your kitchen, obviously the arch into the dining room. I love the attention to the original tile work that is on this awesome fireplace. And then that staircase with the stained glass window could be stunning with a little bit of elbow grease put into it. Through here, again, the tall ceilings. This is a huge, huge dining room. Again, with the hardwood floors, these original grates are awesome. Sometimes you find these houses and they're broken, and those are hard to replace. Big, big windows to let in a ton of natural light. What I know a lot of people have done is they've actually removed this wall to open up the kitchen to dining space and make it a little bit more of a modern floor plan. You don't have to in this house. The cool thing is this kitchen is good size, even without opening up the space. But if you like open concept, I have seen people do that. Once you come into the kitchen, I'm gonna come at it from this angle, with lots of countertop space, lots of cabinets, very livable if you want to tackle other projects in the house first. I love this little lowered area here underneath the window. And then out here, it used to be a sun porch, I'm assuming, because it slopes down here, and then the previous owners leveled off this section and they actually had bench seating back here. But if you didn't need this area, or if you were gonna open it up to that dining room, this could make an amazing bathroom. It can make a pantry. It could be a lot of different things, but to add a half bath somewhere on this first floor would be a really good investment down here. Out back, we have a very cool covered porch. Concrete slab. Tons of room for extra outdoor furniture, shaded space. You have an actual yard, and I'm not gonna go tour it at the moment, but there is a 2.5 car side load garage off of the alley that belongs to this house. So amazing parking, considering you're in the heart of everything and so close to Schiller and all that German Village has to offer. Here's that really pretty original stained glass window. Up the stairs, you come to a little foyer area. I'm gonna go left first. This faces the front of the house, or faces Stewart Avenue. You can see at some point they put in replacement windows. I couldn't tell you how old those are, but there are replacement windows, not the originals. Very good sized room. Original hardwood floors. My assumption, I do not know, but my assumption is the hardwood runs in that area out there as well. Just don't know the condition. And then we do have, for an old house, decent sized closet space in this bedroom. It's relatively deep, which is nice. You can actually fit grown-up hangers in these closets. Got all these pretty original doors. Out here, there's a huge linen closet. Sorry, the light bulb is burnt out, but it's quite deep. I can step into it, and it's probably 5 feet across and 3 feet deep or so. But the cool thing is you could take room from that closet and give it to this room and give it to this room, or you could leave it a linen closet, either or. Here's bedroom 2. This has great hardwood floors again. It faces the rear of the house. It also has a closet, similar in size to the other closet with some built-in shelving in here. Good size. Very capable of holding a queen size suite or even a king size bed suite. The next bedroom has, we're gonna go across the hall here. That's the attic, which is also finished. We will get there. Here's bedroom 3. The floors, I think, will be every bit as pretty. The carpet was just torn up last night, so it's still a little bit dusty, but this faces the front of the house. It does not have a closet, so if you wanted it to be a legal bedroom, you would need to add a closet, but it is a really good size space. This next room is interesting. So you see there we have a very large room that faces the rear of the house. And then right next to it, we have the smallest of the bedrooms with a closet. But what's strange about this room is that you also have the bathroom in here. So I come in, and I have this little room, and then someone at some point in time put up this wall and actually put a shower, sink, and toilet in here. Obviously, if this was my project, I would bust through from that bedroom into this bedroom and make this my walk-in closet and my awesome bathroom, and then leave access to the bathroom for my guests as well from this side. So have dual entry into this bathroom space that could be much more open, and I would give myself an amazing closet. But I see tons of potential in this space that is just waiting for somebody to come along and take advantage of it. You can see. Okay, so here we go up the attic stairs. You can see we've got big windows here that let in a lot of natural light to this space around the corner. And the carpet's been rolled back. You can see we already have in lighting up here. These are wide plank wood floors that are super cool and not finished out yet, but you've got attic access where you could create additional storage in this area. You've got some built-ins, 2 more windows facing the front through this dormer, more built-ins. And then over here, this is where I see a ton of potential for somebody who wants to get very involved, but you could push all this up and give yourself a whole second bathroom up here and make this an ensuite, owner suite bedroom situation and closet even up here. It'd be a major undertaking, but wow, would it be totally worth it in my opinion, especially considering this space is already so large. Or this area up here could totally just be another hangout space, another living room. You can see here we have a dresser, built-in dresser, but lots of potential up here to make it a very cool space. Okay, so directly from that front door, you pass through to get to your kitchen, or you can head down to the basement. So let's check it out. Okay, so down in the basement, we have a newer furnace. As with most basements, you know, that are 100+ years old, there's definitely a little bit of damp smell in the air. A dehumidifier could definitely help. They had kind of a makeshift room down here that could easily go away and just be opened up for storage. The hot water heater has been removed. It was leaking, so the water is still connected obviously there with the pipe, but the hot water heater is out currently. Have no idea if this works or not. There's a urinal, a toilet, and one of these standalone shower situations down here. Looks like a relatively well cared for meter and workspace. And then your washer dryer hookups are along this back wall along with the utility sink. Looks like there was newer windows installed down here too when the windows upstairs were put in possibly. So it could be a lot of good storage. And then underneath that front porch area is another space. You can see the window under that. And a lot of good storage down here. So as you can see, 255 East Stewart Avenue has a ton of potential and is just waiting for its new owner. Call me at 614-579-8907 if you'd like more information about the house or you'd like to gain access to be able to see what it would take to make this home your own. Take care now. Bye.